Welcome to tapypay. In this video, we'll show you how to set up a new payment terminal. Unpack the payment terminal and the charging cable. Then, switch on the device. Now, open the tapypay portal. Under Terminals, you'll find the QR code for your new device. On the terminal, tap Scan. The camera will open. Scan the QR code displayed in the portal. The terminal will sign in automatically and is immediately ready to accept payments. Separate QR codes can be created for each branch, location, or event venue. For more information, visit the Help Center in the tapypay portal.